In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use Miro board step by step, perfect for beginners. Start by heading to miro.com and creating a free account using your email or Google sign-in. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is where all your boards live. Click plus new board to create one, then rename it by clicking on the title. You're now inside Miro's infinite canvas, ready to brainstorm and build visually. To navigate, click and drag the canvas to move around and use your mouse wheel or ping gesture to zoom in or out. Made a mistake? Just press Ctrl or Command plus Z to undo. On the left toolbar, you'll find everything you need. Sticky notes for ideas, shapes and text boxes for structure, and pens for quick sketches. You can drag, resize or type anywhere on the board. Press Tab to quickly add new sticky notes while brainstorming. Want inspiration? Click Templates to explore over 300 pre-made layouts for diagrams, planning or wireframes. Just select one and hit Add to Board. You can even integrate tools like Google Docs, Jira and Unsplash for more flexibility. To collaborate, click Share in the top right corner. Invite people via link or email and choose if they can edit, comment or view. Miro also supports real-time teamwork with @mentions, emojis, comments and even built-in video chat. That's it. You're now ready to use Miro like a pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.